We bought a new combine that won't follow me, for Christ's sake. So yeah, we bought a new combine and a new header. Should be wider. Are there any trains coming at all? Control F. Thank you. Let's hit H or something. Okay, town's gonna be an issue with this. Anyway, last video I turned off traffic because down this alleyway there's a tractor driving and it literally had a head-on with me. It was in its lane, but I had to change lanes because of the road work that you're gonna see up here. I was in my lane, he was in his. And he just veered into my lane to go past the road construction, not even caring about me, so we had to head on. And that was that. Oh, down this is going to be narrow as heck. Watch the combine, watch the combine. You can kind of see the remnants. You see those columns? Yeah, that's the remnants. Jesus. Hitbox on this is odd. But yeah, that's also another thing. When I was trying to carry the old combine back with the low loader that I eventually sold, I don't need it right now. But I was trying to carry the old combine back to the shop with it. And a police car hit the combine and knocked it off. So yeah, traffic's just annoying. Right now I'm just piloting this combine. Now I'm not sure if in England they do pilot trucks or not, but this is how I'm doing it. So please, do tell me in the comments if you're from Britain. Do they do this in Britain? Pilot cars, which is basically just a car with a beacon that guides an oversized load. There's typically one in the back too, but I don't want to have to buy a second TLX, so I'll just live with this TLX. I just want to know, is that a thing? After this, we're going to hop in the case and get a start on some mowing. Because I'd like to plow both fields at the same time. Now let's turn on 4-ways. I believe it turns on 4-ways on the combine. I'm not sure. Yeah, it does. So top speed's 19 miles an hour, which I mean, it's better than the Bison because that only goes 13. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so we're going to shut him off. I'm gonna park this. I sold the header and the header trailer because, I mean, we're getting a new header with that combine. Up. Wait. Oh, that's cool. The door opens when you get in it. Okay, let's shut the gate. I have no idea where I am. So we're going to stick the header in here. Figure out how to line it up. Oh, yeah, there's also these, like, special cameras if I wanted to get, like, a header trailer or something. Okay. Go get the case. Hook up to the mower. Go from there. Huh. It's an on-camera glitch. Oh, I forgot. The steering wheel doesn't work in this tractor model. Yeah. Jeez, this tractor's camera angles are odd. Got it opened inward. There's 32, not our field. And there's 33. I think I'm gonna turn traffic back on, actually. Not economic difficulty. Please tell me this grass isn't just freshly cut. Oh, come on, it's just freshly cut. Okay, I'm gonna make a U-E and head back to the farm then. Well, that's kind of crappy. Bought the field freshly cut. Time to buy our plow tractor then. Put the mower in here. Okay, it's almost. Holy crap, it's already coming up on 5. It is 5. There's no connection sounds on this case. I just got this case off of the internet, so, I mean, I'm not expecting something too high quality. But hey, I mean, still looks good. I like it. I've been wanting two-wheel drive tractors for a while now. Okay, so tractor I want to get. In fact, I actually have the small tractors that I want to get. Ferguson. I want to get a tandem. Now I do want to get a straight fender, no footlight. Yeah, straight fender, no footlight. Swinging drawbar decal configuration. We'll do the early hood. Wheel setup. Trips for plowing. And then the plow is going to be a 5-furrow plow. Although I could get this and stick it on one of my tractors, I'm not going to. I'm going to use the 3 to 5 furrow plow. 20 horsepower. This is 2 tractors stuck together. It really doesn't have any lighting, does it? Got 2 engines. I don't know. I never actually used this. It's by North Modeling Company, which is a really good company. They made. Wait, no. That's A2 Squares. That made the. I almost said they made the TLX, but that's A2 Square. What kind of glitch just happened there? Anyway. Yeah, North Modeling Company made this. They created the Griffin, stuff like that. and the new autonomous logging machine. I actually just downloaded that, so yeah. Interesting. Well, I quite like mods because they really enhance the game. Sandy Bay itself is a mod. I like it. I like it a lot. 36. It's already 5:30. So this is gonna be interesting. All right, somebody's making. What are they making? All right, heat a cup, Kirk. They're making potatoes, I believe. I think they're making potatoes. Okay, let's plow this up. In no way is this gonna be neat. So yeah, don't be complaining that it's not neat. In no way will it be neat. I mean, after a couple plowings with this plow, I'm probably going to sell this and the tractor. Because, I mean, there's no real use for them, because this plow is really narrow. So yeah, I might not keep it, but that's just on the table. It's not confirmed yet that I'm selling this. It's just going to be an item, or an idea. So yeah, plowing away with my tandem tractor. This should be time consuming. Like anything else in farming, everything's time consuming. I also chose this plow, not plow, because it's cheap. It's extremely cheap. In fact, this tractor is extremely cheap too. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off screen because this could take a long time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time when there's gonna be no commentary. See ya.